So why you have to come and spend my money upon this trainer boy for? Eh? You don't need no training, you look good already.
I'm trying to look good for you.
Yeah, but you look good already. I thought I did all the training, you know? All the training.
Well, I need my sessions to last more than 3 minutes.
Listen here, woman. That happened one time, and I was drinking too much NSC. I thought we said we're not gonna speak about it, eh? Come, chill.
Oh, hey, Obi. Hey, babe, this is my trainer, Obi.
Hey, very good. Yeah, well on. This on the trainer boy? You don't look so strong. Look at it. You don't have no. Okay, might look a bit of muscle still, but alright, do your thing.
Alright, tell your body from today.
This was good.
That's good? Okay. So what you're gonna do is, alright, you're gonna take the weight.
Okay.
Alright, just give me a sec. You're gonna curl.
Hey! You have to touch yourself. You should have man know, eh? Not even know how to take off. Give me this. Let me show you how to order sitting, man. Look. This thing needs slippery still. What kind of unsafe atmosphere is this? If I wipe off the weights on,
Give me powder?
the thing slip on my hand. Alright, do your thing, Carl.
Alright. You know, cardio is one of the best things for your core. It can really help, like, reduce your lower body fat, like your abdominals, like.
Hey, trainer boy, baby. I'm not sorry if you're running. I'm not sorry if you do it. Come on, yo, come on, baby. Let me show you. Come, let me show you. Alright, baby. You watch? Alright. So you know you have to get a look a bad man step, you know? And then when you're ready now, yeah, watch this. When you're ready now, just see that, baby? Oh, now the calves, you know? See the calves? Cool the calves, baby. Cool the calves. Cool them. Oh, give it to them. Yeah, watch this trainer boy. Now see this? Take this down, you know? Oh, a money technique. Oh, money this.
Alright, so the pectoral muscle is really good for like strengthening like your upper chest.
Hey, miss that touch. Oh, you love touch, so. Baby, really? Come on, get up. Let me show you how to do this. Baby. Let me on to the boy, yeah. Trainer. Alright, baby, the key is you have to have a straight back. Strength. No weakness, baby. Show you how to do this.